What's up, beautiful people? So today I'm going to show you how to do an extended fill with repairs and French tips. Just look how cute this came out. This is how my client came in. This was about 4 weeks after her last appointment. As you can see, she lost a couple nails, but that's okay. We're going to get into that in a second. I'm starting off with my extra coarse carbide drill bit from stingbeauty.com. Any products that I mentioned in the video can be purchased at stingbeauty.com. So what I'm doing first is going ahead and shortening all her nails just to get that out the way. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the same drill bit to debulk the broken nail on her pointer finger. I'm doing this because we're going to have to replace this entire nail, so you do have to remove the old acrylic. My e-file is going at a speed of about 14,000 RPMs, and as I get closer to her natural nail bed, I'm going to turn the speed down. The good thing about the extra coarse carbide drill bit, it really does not give heat. Even though it doesn't give heat, you still don't want to run it too fast close to the natural nail. You have to be safe. I got these little foil pads off Amazon. The link to my Amazon storefront is below in the description box, and I have everything that I don't sell on my website on my Amazon storefront, so check that out. Now I'm using that extra coarse carbide drill bit to go ahead and remove the gel top coat and any lifting that might be on the corners of her nails. So I'm just going over the body of the nail really quick just to remove the top coat. And then, like I said, going around what used to be the cuticle area. And if there's any small amounts of lifting, I'm going to remove that as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and push her cuticles back using a cuticle pusher. This is a cuticle pusher from Orly. This is on my Amazon storefront if you want to purchase. I love the shape of this. It just makes it so easy to get that cuticle pushed back and lifted up. Now, another thing this is good for is removing products. So whether that's gel or acrylic, as you can see, it just pushes it right off the nail with no pressure. Now that I have those cuticles pushed back and lifted off the nail plate, I'm going to go in with my micro tapered diamond cuticle bit, and I'm just going reverse at a speed of 7,000. I'm going in reverse because this is going to allow me to continue pushing that cuticle up and off the nail plate, and it's going to get really good into both corners. You can go forward or reverse, whatever ways works best for you. I just find that on certain clients, reverse works better, especially getting in this right hand corner. As you can see, it gets in a lot closer for me. But here I did have to put it in forward just a little bit. So there's really no set way to do it. It just depends on your client's cuticles and the drill bit that you're using and the method that you're using. So just try different things. Different things work for different people. As long as everything is safe for your clients and you're not damaging their nail beds or hurting them, then just go ahead and do it. I don't think that there's any one right way to do anything. And as you can see on my videos, I literally switch it up just depending on my client, like I said, and their skin type. So now that I got the cuticles nice and clean, I'm going to go in with my sanding band. I'm going at a very slow speed of 4,000 RPMs, and I'm just going from right to left, prepping that natural nail area. The goal for this step is to get that natural nail nice and ashy white. You want to remove all the oil and the shine from the natural nail. A good prep routine is what's going to help prevent a lot of lifting from your clients. I do want to say, however, if your clients are going 4 weeks in between services, or just depending on how often and how much they use their hands and their nails, it's very hard to prevent 100% of lifting. It's a very, very rare thing for somebody to go more than 3 weeks and not have any lifting at all, especially because, you use your hands more than any other body part. So keep that in mind. When your clients' nails are lifting, or if they have missing nails, don't beat yourself up. Do what you can as a process of elimination. And if you feel like you're doing everything that you can to prevent lifting, I would start asking them, like, how did you break your nail? And you'll be surprised how many people say, oh, I snatched it in the car door or working out. You know what I mean? I'm using Sting Nail Co. acrylic system and the Mega Bond primer. The monomer will be coming out soon. I'm just waiting on the bottles to get in so I can give you guys the actual release date. But with the Mega Bond primer, I'm going to apply one coat to each of her nails, and then I'm going to apply the second coat right before I apply that bead of acrylic. This is going to allow me to get the best adhesion possible because the primer is going to set on the nail at the same time as the acrylic, and it just pulls everything together at the same time. And yeah, I am so excited because my acrylic system will finally be complete with monomer and acrylic brushes, and everything is coming together so beautifully. So please stay on the lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting my brand. I wouldn't be able to do this without you and your support. So shout out to y'all. Y'all the best. So yeah, I'm just completing the fill. A fill is basically the same as a full set. The only thing different with the fill, you have to make sure that you're building the nails back up. So if you notice that there's any thin areas or any areas that have been like rounded out on the corners, go ahead and rebuild that area up so that your client's nails won't be weak. I know a lot of people just like to slap, a little quick bead in the back. That's fine if the rest of the nail is still in good structure, like every 2 weeks. But after 4 weeks, her nails have grown out so much that you probably will have to rebuild a little bit of the structure and a little bit of the apex just to keep the integrity of the nails. For me, that's fine. I don't mind doing that because, they're paying for a service and I want to give them the best quality service possible. Okay, so as you can see, I already used my 100 grit file to go ahead and reshape the nails. Now I'm using a fine grit carbide drill bit. This is a taper shaped drill bit. I got this from Amazon. You can get that from the link in the description box. I like this taper shape because it allows me to get in around the sidewalls and the cuticle area without actually having to angle my drill bit too much. As you can see here, I go right up next to the skin very, very slowly. I like to do it in short movements instead of going around in one long movement, just so I can make sure that I'm placing that drill bit in the right place and so that I can make sure I see what I'm doing and I'm not cutting my client. So right here you can see I'm just going around in slow, short movements. That's how I keep from cutting my clients. I buffed the nails with a nail buffer and then she washed her hands, and this is the outcome of that fill. Super clean, super beautiful, and this is actually an overlay on her natural nails, so everything just looks so perfect. This is the way I like it. Now we're going to go ahead and do the French. I'm using the 15mm nail art brush from Sting Nail Co. These brushes are so versatile. You can use them for pretty much every type of nail art, and I promise you I do. But yeah, I'm using this super cute Barbie pink just to create this thin French look. I really like how these came out, super clean and super cute. Last but not least, we're going to seal that design in with our gel top coat from Sting Nail Co. I'm going to go ahead and apply a nice thin even coat to each of her nails. I really do love this top coat. It seals those designs in really well. It's currently on sale for $5. We have a new packaging design, but I'm not going to be selling the new packaging until I get rid of the old packaging. So it's on sale for $5. The same formula, everything's the same except the bottle, but I do want to go ahead and move those off the shelf. So $5 each. Go ahead and get you some. It's really a great deal, and the girls have been stocking up. So yeah, that's how I went from this rusty and dusty and crusty to beautiful and elegant. Okay, elegantly. What Jocelyn say, y'all? Elegantly. When your nails start popping off, when your skin start crusting up, go see your nail tech. She gonna help you out. Okay, that's what we're here for. And y'all know I had to get in there with the angles. Stop showing them front on pictures, y'all. Get some angles and some close-ups. Okay.